At the end of this video, I'm going to take you away from the days of making sworn enemies at work due to contentious code reviews, endless threads, and unfruitful debates. And I will guide you towards a place where you embrace code reviews with confidence, engage in constructive discussions that elevate your skills, and you look forward to code review requests as opportunities to collaborate and learn from your peers. Hey guys, welcome to the channel. My name is Susan, and on this channel, I share on lifestyle growth and try to make you feel less alone in your tech career. Now picture this, you've just poured out your heart and your soul into writing code and you believe that it is nothing short of genius. You go ahead to submit it for review and within 10 minutes, you start seeing comments on the code and they sound like this. Oh my goodness, what were you thinking when you did this? This is not smart. Are you sure you passed your technical interview? Okay, I don't think anyone will actually say the last one. Before I go on, there are 2 buttons I need you to destroy, and the destruction of these buttons will save lives and be super useful for this channel and for me. This will be the like and subscribe button. The truth is that code reviews are not supposed to be a war zone with negative comments and egos all over the place. It should be a positive and empowering space with a lot of learning. I'm going to share with you 7 things to keep in mind when doing code reviews. The first one is that you absolutely want to keep an open mind and leave your ego at the door, okay? This means that you need to focus on the code and its quality and not your personal opinions of the developer or the owner of the code. Secondly, try not to do code reviews when your day is not going great. We all have bad days sometimes, but if you're having a bad day and you need to do a code review, then you might want to put that away till a later time. You may be more prone to getting frustrated, and this could impact your communication, your focus, clarity, and objectivity. The next thing is that you want to picture code reviews as a learning opportunity. When I personally do code reviews, one thing I find exciting is that it is another opportunity to learn something new and potentially help someone learn something new too. Having that perspective makes you not get into unproductive debates and pay more attention to growth. The fourth thing is that you want to ask questions. One common phrase I say during code reviews is, have you considered trying this? And then I go ahead and make the suggestion. Putting your feedback in form of a question leaves room for dialogue and discussions and helps people to see a new way of doing things. It also doesn't put pressure on the developer to make changes that are just your opinion and may not be absolutely necessary. Now, when giving or suggesting feedback, try not to be vague, illustrate using code snippets if possible, and share helpful resources. This goes a long way in helping the developer try to implement what you suggest. Now, the next thing is that you want to resolve long threads and debates with a chat. Sometimes many of us just like to be keyboard warriors and just comment away on code reviews. This is not always helpful because sometimes it keeps the code reviews unattended to or unmerged for days leading into weeks. It's best to get into a chat or a voice call, a video call, and talk about whatever disagreement or whatever needs to be ironed out to get this code review moving forward. The next thing is don't ever forget to read the description. A lot of people miss this and they start to ask questions in the code review that has already been answered in the description. Make sure you try to read the description so that you have enough context and you understand why the code is being written the way it is. Another place to see more about what the code does is in the unit test. It's a good way of understanding what the code is supposed to do. The last but not the least one, which I think everybody should be doing, and if you're not already doing, I'm giving you a side eye right now. It is to call out parts of the code that are well written. Don't be the guy or the girl that only criticizes bad code and you ignore well-written code. If you see something that you even didn't know before or something that was written well, written better than you would have written it, just try to call it out, because this helps the engineer know that they are not terrible and they are doing something right, especially if it's a junior engineer that is just getting started or someone that just joined your company. It's also a way to encourage them as well. So don't be the person that just criticizes bad code. That is the video, and I hope that this helps you be better at code reviews, whether you're a junior, mid-level, senior engineer. I hope that this is useful to you. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you for watching my video. If you're returning, I love you guys so much. Please do well to like and subscribe to this channel. Also turn on your post notifications to get more videos like this when they come out, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.